Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Back again at the Andes, Singapore to try out their City View Deluxe room. Immediately to the left, you will find an open concept wardrobe, after which is the bedroom itself. The king-size bed is large and comfortable. On the other side of the room is the living area, with a single chair, circular table, and daybed cum sofa, offering great views of the Padang and Marina Bay. The living area also features a huge 48-inch TV mounted on a swivel arm. Next to the sofa is a bar cabinet that houses the mini fridge, crockery, an espresso machine, and kettle. A variety of glassware is provided, as well as an assortment of complimentary beverages, including beer. Moving on to the bathroom, there is an enclosed toilet, a single vanity, and a mini dresser. As well as a rain shower. Bath amenities are by Christoph Laudemel. For more information on the amenities at the Andes, check out my other video on the Andes Studio Suite. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough. See you in the next one.